Hello everybody, this is Katerina and let's get ready together for summer. Today I'm gonna introduce you brand new limited edition palette by Christian Dior and it's number 779 Riviera. Again, you can buy this right now palette from my link, it's listed below. All products which one I using, it's gonna come from Nordstrom, it's free shipping, and today I have on my lips beautiful lip color by Bobbi Brown, lip gloss by Clarins. I think it's a beautiful look for summer. Okay, watch, subscribe, comments below, and let's start, because again, hurry up, this is eyeshadow palette limited edition. When it's gone, it's set, but you have time to purchase this. We're gonna start with a good products for my face, and first item it will be Dior Prestige. It's lotion, it will give you hydration. It's like a toner together with lotion, and I will name this is more like essence. It will plump my skin, will hydrate my skin, and will make my products come to your skin much more deeper and will work more faster, more effective. This is again by Christian Dior Prestige lotions essence rose, and it is like not cheap, but I really like this product. Then and we will balance, you know, like with yeah, something maybe $100, something maybe $300, but some products will be way less. Okay, you use essence first, then we're gonna use by Tula, and this is, it will be illuminating serum. I want my skin really looks healthy, bright, and give me this luminosity. And I also like, because like a lot of this brand, it's pretty good, pretty clean brand, because you can see it's right here. I still you know, like fighting with my allergic reaction. I knew like some products I can't use it. This is why you don't see, and even 1 year ago I probably okay, but now I don't know what's going on, but my skin really changed a lot. Okay, this is essence first, then serum, then for moisturizer we're gonna use Capture Total by Christian Dior, super rich cream. It's again, it will give me good hydration. It's also for lines, for wrinkles, give me nice luminosity, and you can use this moisturizer day and night. And for my eye, we're gonna use today by Charlotte Tilbury eye serum. Again, it's this, you always use serum first, and you use this again morning and night first. It's for dark circles, it's for puffiness, and will brighten your skin, will plump your skin. And then we're gonna use today brand new eye cream from Clinique. My friend Jenny Lee, who is counter manager at Nordstrom, Clinique counter manager, she gave me this. It's for free, and it's a wrinkle reduction eye cream. It's supposed to be like a mousse texture, but I will open and I will talk about a little bit more about this eye cream. Okay, and it's time to try this fancy new eye cream from Clinique. Again, it is like a whipped, or like it is texture, it's really good. It is like whipped cream. Wow, let's see how it feels. Okay, feels very creamy. It feels light, but same time it's like it's a nice texture, it's a silky, smooth, creamy texture. I do like, I will put even an entire my eyelid because I need a little bit to smooth my eye area here. Okay, my skincare is done, and now let's put together face. Yes, we're gonna even my skin, and then we're gonna come to this baby. Yeah, I love this eyeshadow palette. It is limited edition. Remember, all products I will list it below. It will take you, I have a Nordstrom link, it will take you to Nordstrom, free shipping, and you need to buy. Hurry up, because it's limited edition palette. I want my skin to look really glowing today, and I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury Bright Hue Glow Boosting Correcting Primer. I will use this first, and then on top I will use moisturizer. This is Vitalumer moisturizer, oh sorry, foundation, and this sample, but I really need to tell you. First of all, I love this foundation. It's a 15 SPF. It's a moisturizing foundation. It is a light texture, but it's also correcting even your skin. One more thing, it's very important. If you like this foundation, this is foundation I been told will discontinue. It is $60. Yes, buy 2, 3, whenever. I don't know how many. I knew I need to buy like a couple of them because I love this foundation. First of all, it's medium coverage, but with my foundation brush from Trish McAvoy, which one of my favorite, will give me full coverage, and my skin will feels flawless. And again, if you combination to dry, this is excellent foundation, and you will see how it will cover everything. This, and again, it's a medium coverage, but I like how light feels, and it just looks beautiful, natural on my skin. Okay, let's do primer and then foundation. I'm coming to camera a little bit more close because I want you to see this. Yes, I'm so happy with this, and my color it's 20. But look at how beautiful looks on my skin. Give me nice glow and cover everything. Yes, but like you can see through see your skin through this foundation. I love this foundation. Again, it's so sad they discontinue. I apply a little bit foundation on my eye because I want a little bit even my eye area, and I need this extra hydration, and this foundation will feel so good, not just on my face, on my eyes too. But it's not like I put in a lot, just very little, just to even hold my complexion. Foundation looks beautiful, but my lips feels terrible. Let me put Christian Dior Lips Maximizer on my lips because I need this hydration. I love these products. I sell in a lot. Like if I ever quit work for Nordstrom, this is product I will buy all the time. Okay, and you know what? I need to tell you, a lot of you comment to me, I do makeup for you, and you 90% all come with dry lips. Ooh, wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, wash your face, or do your routine, and put like any lip balm, chapstick, anything, and just like you know, walk a little bit and then put your lipstick. Okay, now my face looks great, but we're gonna use right now concealer, we're gonna use with you powder, and we're gonna use bronze. Okay, just something very easy steps, which one will bring my face even more beautiful. Okay, let's do it. For my concealer today, I'm gonna use Sicily concealer. It's botanical line. Also, it's coming with like this metal tip here. It's for puffiness, and it is light texture. It's also, I feel like it's color adjustable, these products. And what I like about this concealer, it's don't give me any reaction. I will it's like don't give me any like itchiness under my eyes, but it is very light texture. It's not heavy concealer like I like, you know, I like full coverage. But and again, you apply and it looks light, and then it's adjust your color. But I use in first time like little bit, and then I till like maybe 5 minutes I will like to apply second layer. Because I'm full coverage girl, I'm gonna set my foundation with foundation from Dior, my color 22 beige rose. This is its foundation powder, but it depends how you apply. If you wanna apply very little, you just need to put very little product. If you want more coverage, you just need to apply more. But it looks really natural, and I use Chanel powder brush. I love this brush. And again, right here, oops, little bit here, right here I want more coverage, I apply more, but the rest of my face I apply very little. And now we're gonna use this beautiful Christian Dior bronze. It is limited edition. If you like this, you need to buy right now, because it's no time for wait. And let's contour to my nose. Okay, you put just like in center here. This is just my makeup brush, and I have already a little bit bronze. It's a perfect contouring. And then I like to use a big powder brush and little bit softer this look. And voila! Time to use highlighter, and today we're gonna use Chanel. It's a very pretty, beautiful, like a gold highlighter, light gold highlighter, number 10 ivory gold. And for blush today, I'm gonna use it's a blush by North, and it's named Tori. It's so pretty colors. I love these colors. I use it now a lot. I just love this blush. Okay girls, my face is almost done, and I'm gonna do after this my eyebrows, and we're gonna start with eyes. Are you excited? I am. Okay, give me a hands up. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, support me, love you more than ice cream. Okay, my brows done, eyeshadow primer I already have on my eyelid, and we are gonna use this beautiful palette. Again, so far I can see, you know what, let's use my finger. I'm gonna use, first let's where it says Dior, it's like a gold peachy color, gold orangey, we'll say, soft orangey color. Then I'm gonna use this beautiful light color, and this color you can see this peachy, and this is more yellowy gold. Then, and it is have a shine. It's have, you can see it's really shine, but it's not metallic. This is what I love about Christian Dior eyeshadow palette. Then let's check this. Ooh, beautiful orange color, but it's not bright, it's very subtle. Okay, we come in one more color. They feels really creamy. Oh, beautiful, like a little bit coppery brown. Love this color, and it does have a little bit shimmer. And one more color, let's use my pinky. Oh, this one, it's matte. Okay, we have 5 colors here. You can see peachy, more goldy, more orangey, more like coppery brown, and this one, it is like it's a brown color, but it have little bit purpley undertone. Ooh. Okay, let's stick this to my face. I'm just kidding, but it's just so pretty. Again, limited edition, girls. Let's do my eyes. I'm very excited. We're gonna use this color, which one in center, and it says Dior here. I'm using it's Chanel brushes. We're gonna use this first, and I'm just gonna apply on my eyelid. Ooh, so pretty, beautiful. Now we're gonna use this beautiful light color. Eyeshadow, so beautiful. Let's use this color, is my middle, and again, absolutely amazing quality. And now I'm gonna use my favorite North brush. I'm gonna use this beautiful, like coppery brown color. This coppery color really pigmented. Don't use a lot. I actually need little bit more blending. Be careful, girls. Now I'm gonna use small tiny brush from Bobbi Brown. We almost done, girls. We're almost done. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful brand new MAC eyeliner, and it's 24-hour wearing, and I think waterline it's 12 hours. Yes, it's waterproof, brand new gel eyeliner from MAC, and it's Strike Tat Brio color. I applying this eyeliner between my lashes, and now I'm gonna put on top. It's time to do lashes, and we're gonna finish this eye look using Lancome primer. You know, it's my favorite. And then today we're gonna use a Saint Laurent mascara. It's a mascara volume effect for Seal Radical. It's supposed to give me lots of volume. Let's finish this look. For my lips, I want something bright and excited, because summer is almost here, and I'm gonna use Sweet Coral Lip Color by Sisley. It's expensive really, but I love quality color. It's so pretty and vibrant. For my lipstick, I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown and a cherry peach. It is beautiful creamy, like corally color. And today I'm gonna use lip oil. Is my lip gloss from Clarins. It's a beautiful sparkling oil. You can use by itself, or you can use on top lipstick. Okay, let's finish this. 1, 2, 3. Damn, my lips look so hot. Again, I'm ready for summer. If you like this look, please give me hands up. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I think it's amazing eyeshadow palette from Dior. Again, it's limited edition. Hurry up. Link below with all products, which one I use in this video. Love you all, then ice cream, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody.